Hello everybody, I hope you are having an amazing day. So in this tutorial we will actually learn about how to remove the watermark from the photo in few seconds. Alright, so as you can see here we are in the Google. So we just simply have to search for watermark remover.io. Alright, and it would give you the website on the top with the same URL. So you just have to click on that. Alright, so now we are into the watermark remover.io. Okay, so now what you need to do, so you just have to upload the file from here. Okay, so right now I actually want to remove the watermark from this image. Okay, so I just have to upload this image on our app. Okay, so let's just go to the download, search for the watermark. Okay, upload this image. So now you can see here it actually removed the watermark from our image, and now you just need to download that image. Okay, and open up this image, and as you can see here we have no watermark on our image. Okay, so this is how we can use the watermark remover.io, and in this tutorial we actually learned about how to remove the watermark from photos. Alright, so thanks for watching this video.